Hey my buddies, after a long time I'm with you. So, what's going on? Today I'm going to discuss the useState hook of the reactjs. Okay, what is the useState? The useState is a hook for reactjs. It's very common and useful hooks to the reactjs developers. What does it do? The React useState hook allows us to track state in a functional component. What are the properties of the useState? First, the value of current state. Second, a function that updates the state. Okay, let's see how to use useState hook. First, we have to create functional component. The second step, initialize the useState hook like that. Next, I'm going to use current state value in p tag. Now, to update the current state, I'm using state update function like this. Finally, we can test our state project now. Okay, my loveliest. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Keep in touch. Please subscribe, like and comment on my glory. Thanks a bunch for watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye.